What is the present situation of Indian poultry industry? Because the influenza has affected many countries, so does it going to affect Indian industry?
So influenza, I think we first noticed in 2006 in India. But like any other virus, it's part of the ecosystem now, and the industry has learned to deal with it. We have increased biosecurity in our farms and ensuring that our flocks are free of AI, and that's how the industry continues to grow. Just like everything else, life has to move on, and that's exactly what's happening in the industry as well.
So, what do you think? What are the challenges in front of Indian industry, poultry industry?
The challenges, especially, is on the input cost is going up. The cost of maize and soya, which are the primary ingredients for poultry feed and constitute about 78% of the cost of production. Those costs are going up, and because of overproduction, farmer is not able to realize the cost at which he is actually producing. So therefore, the industry has been struggling for the last several months, and hopefully the situation should get better when the realizations go up.
To get out from this situation, what are the future plans of Nandus?
So, to kind of get away from the market volatilities, as a poultry company, we built a brand called Nandus, where we take our produce directly to the end consumer. So when you look at when you study the pricing in the market for chicken, the farmer doesn't make money, the consumer doesn't benefit. All of the money is sitting in the supply chain with all the middlemen. So that's what we wanted to cut out and take our produce directly to the end consumer, and that's how we are able to actually get a better realization, and then directly transfer the benefits of traceability, transparency, quality, and healthy food directly to the end consumer. So with Nandus, we are able to actually ensure that our realizations as farmers are protected, and the consumer interest in terms of getting good quality chicken is protected.
So, cultured meat and plant-based meat are growing segments right now. So, is that going to affect Indian industry or all over poultry industry?
Yeah. So plant-based meat is a fairly relatively new industry. The problem with plant protein is that it does the micronutrient profile is not complete. There is questions about digestibility. So it's an emerging field, but I don't think it will replace meat. But as an ingredient from which you can make other products, I think it has a promising future. But will it replace meat in terms of the nutrition profile, the lipid profiles, and the bite and feel for a non-vegetarian? That is still leaves a lot of question marks out.